the points A, -3, 2, -1, B, 1, 6, 3, C, 4, 7, -1, and D, -7, 0, -3 form a quadrilateral. Show that the quadrilateral formed from the midpoints of the four sides is a parallelogram. And interestingly, this would happen with any quadrilateral. So here we have A, B, C, and D. And P, let's say, is the midpoint of AB. So if we want the coordinates of P, we can use the midpoint formula, and it just extends to 3 dimensions like this. And we would get that P is -1, 4, 1. Let's say that Q is the midpoint of BC, and we'll do the same thing with Q. So we'll find the midpoint of these 2 points, just averaging the x coordinates, the y coordinates, and the z coordinates. And we get 3, 7, 1. So Q is 3, 7, 1. Let's say that R is the midpoint of CD, and average the coordinates again, and we find that R is -1, 4, -2. And if we say that S is the midpoint of this side, then we'll average the coordinates for A and D. So averaging the x coordinates, the y coordinates, and the z coordinates, and that gives us -5, 1, -2. So now it's just like example 1, but using these 4 points. So PQ, so we're going to do Q take away P, and that gives us 4, 3, 0. SR would be the side opposite that. So let's do SR. And again, that's going to be R take away S, and that's 4, 3, 0. So we have that PQ is equal to SR. PS is this side here. So we do S take away P, and that gives us -4, -3, -3. And so we need to do QR. R take away Q, and that gives us the same vector. So just as with example 1, PQRS is a parallelogram.